In this video, I'm going to show you how this $5 product is actually responsible for bringing in $35 on average per customer and an additional $20,000 in my online business. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly the different ways that I use to make more money with this $5 product, how I learned this, and how you can do it too. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make more money online. So let's go ahead and get right into it. As I mentioned, I'm going to show you how this simple little $5 product, it's only a 43-page ebook, actually brings in $35 per customer on average, different opportunities that you can use to do this, and some opportunities for you to get started today. So I first learned of this opportunity back maybe in 2019, 2020, as I was buying different products myself, trying to find the magic solution. What I would do is I'd go to a sales page just like this. I'd enter in my information for a low ticket offer, maybe $7, maybe $19.99, and I actually wound up spending close to $70, $80, even $100 on these simple little products. Now, the key to this whole thing is making sure that you understand what your target audience wants and needs so that you can serve them at a higher level. So I just want to show you this. This is called the 60-second business blueprint, and it helps people start going viral, getting traction using short format vertical video. So if we look at this here, you can see this is kind of like the testimonials of how I learned it. If we keep scrolling all the way down to the bottom, you can see that this product is quote unquote only $5. And most often people will spend more than just $5 on this product. This product is a complete standalone product. You could take this blueprint and implement it right into your business and find success. So let's talk about one of the first ways and the best ways to make more money with this product. What my target audience will do is they'll enter in their name and their email here, and what they'll see on the page is what's called an order bump. Now, this order bump, which is really cool, really simple, will be an additional feature that helps the target audience move further down the road. For example, this 60-second business blueprint lays out the blueprint to get traction on social media. This order bump gives my target audience multiple places to find content ideas. So one of the issues that you'll run into if you are creating content is you will eventually run out of ideas and you'll be looking for more ideas and inspiration. What I've done is I've thought about that, and I thought about the next logical step, and I actually offer that to my target audience. And most people take me up on it, and it's only $17. So just like that, we went from just a $5 product to already $22. So the first way is something called an order bump. Another way that I did it, and I'll show you this on a separate digital product, is actually with digital planners. Now here I'm offering a planner bundle. Again, I think this planner is sold for $17, but what I would do is I would actually, if we enter in my name and email again, I have another order bump. Digital planner stickers. And for this one, I sold it for $27. Now, with order bumps, not everybody's going to take it, but enough people will take the bump to make it worth your while. Now, the cool thing, the reason why you want to do order bumps is so that if you run paid ads, you actually will make your money back or break even on the front end of your ad. So number one is actually with order bumps. Number two are things called upsells. An upsell is the next logical step for this person. And with an upsell, only the people that purchase this product, this front-end product, will see the upsell. And the upsell can be done for you systems, maybe like a plug and play, headlines. It can be coaching. It can be anything as long as it's the next logical step. You want to make sure that the upsell is a no-brainer. And what I do is I'll actually sell the upsell for $97, $57, depending on what the product is, but literally anything can be an upsell as long as it's the next logical step. What you want to make sure that you're doing is you want to think about all of the problems that your product can solve. And then you want to break those into individual pieces so that people can elect to take them or not. And again, the benefit of an upsell is simply to make your money back and to break even if you're running paid ads. It can actually help you make more money. And it's really simple. And you can do this with really any sales funnel builder. I happen to use ClickFunnels because that's what I came in using. So it's really easy for me to create using ClickFunnels. Your customer will only see the upsells if they buy. And then conversely with the upsell, you have downsells. So you're going to, after the sales page, you're going to give them what's called a one-time offer or an upsell for, let's say, $97. The person can elect to take it or not take it. In this instance, the upsell are done for you email templates and scripts. So if you're into affiliate marketing, you also need email marketing. And so I'll offer done for you plug and play email templates and scripts that they can just put in right in their own autoresponder for $97. If they say, no, I don't want it, then they go to what's called a downsell page. So I'll offer the same product for half price. Now, again, if you've ever purchased any digital product online, you may have seen this, but if you haven't, this is a great way to start a successful business. So again, we've got upsells, we've got downsells. So that is number 2. Number 3 are what I like to call cross sells. Now, what you can do, because you have a list of buyers, is you can sell them more stuff. You can sell them the next logical step. For example, if this person wants to learn how to get traffic to their affiliate marketing business, what else will they need to know? They'll probably need to know email marketing. They'll probably need to know how to create better content. They might even want one-on-one coaching. So what you can do is you can market to this list of buyers completely different, and you can make even more money. So let's say you have a signature coaching program. You could sell that signature coaching program for $997, $3,000, $10,000, depending on the problems that you solve, and you can make even more money with these very low front end offers. And again, you'll see a lot of people run Facebook and YouTube ads for these low $5 products. Just know that they're going to have a plan on the back end to make their money back and, triple, 10x their money. Usually, if they're running a $5 product on the front end, you can bet your bottom dollar that they've got a plan for you to spend more money. Now, again, not everybody that purchases this $5 product is going to buy the more expensive stuff on the back end, but just know that is an opportunity. What you can do too is you can email that list of buyers and ask them, what problems are they having? What didn't this product solve? And they'll tell you. You could actually put together a course or additional training, or again, one-on-one mentorship, and then you can sell that to them, and then you can make even more money. So having a list of buyers is incredibly important, and we'll talk about that more in just a moment. Now, after cross-sells, we have affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. The most important thing that you need to remember when it comes to making more money with your digital products is to sell or promote things that your target audience needs. For example, with this affiliate marketing blueprint, I also made money selling a high-ticket course in the back end. I made money with ClickFunnels. So people that are in affiliate marketing, they need to have an email marketing back end. And so I recommended email marketing with ClickFunnels. I recommended Bluehost so that they could get web hosting and start a website. The reason why this works is because it's the next logical step, and it's all things that your target audience or my target audience needed to grow their online business. So again, with affiliate marketing, you can go out and find thousands of affiliate programs. And you can also recommend, for this one anyway, you can recommend different computers. If they're going to create TikTok videos, you can recommend lighting and microphones, as long as it's congruent and that it makes sense. Now, the best way to do affiliate marketing is to actually include affiliate links in the deliverable. So however you're delivering this product, include affiliate links. What I do is I create a membership back office where people will log in and download the product, and then I'll have affiliate links sprinkled in within the product as well as on the membership site. As you can see here, this is actually what the membership site looks like. And you can see where it says need more training. That's actually an affiliate link. And that goes to, that went to a high ticket course that people could enroll in to learn how to build an online business with affiliate marketing. But you can do this too. If we look at this digital planners, you think about all of the different things that they may need. We could find different planner stickers on Etsy maybe. You can find maybe an iPad to promote. Just think about what the target audience will need when it comes to home organization. You can do this with literally any niche. After affiliate marketing, actually content marketing. So yes, what I would do is I will send people back over to my YouTube channel, and you're here on YouTube, and so you can see the power. And with the YouTube Partner Program, I make money when people watch my videos and click on the ads. I also send people over to my blog. And a little bonus tip here, if you embed your YouTube videos in your blog, you can double dip. So you could actually put your YouTube videos, embed them on your website, and then have ads from Google AdSense appear around your videos. And then what you'll do, and I'll actually show you an example of this, and then what you can do is you can actually embed ads inside of your YouTube video. It's kind of like a weird Inception thing where you got ads going everywhere. But let me show you an example of that real quick. All right, so here's an example of a YouTube video that I embedded, but then as you can see all around here, these are the different ads. Now, Google AdSense automatically places the ads, so sometimes it can get a little crazy with these ads, but it's not my fault. It's YouTube. But if I were to click on this, you're going to see an ad pop up in the beginning, middle, and end of the video. And just like that, I can make even more money. So if you want to make the most amount of money possible with your content, embed your YouTube videos or even your TikTok videos, embed them right into your blog or your website. And you can do the same thing with TikTok and Pinterest and Instagram, and then send people to your website and you can actually grow. Now, the other cool thing with that is YouTube will see that there are people coming to the platform to watch your content, and YouTube will send your content out to more people. This works like gangbusters. And as you can see over here on the right-hand side, I've got more products that I'm promoting over here. So it's just kind of like a giant open loop where I have the opportunity to make money over and over again. The next way after content marketing is actually with email marketing. Now, I alluded to this a little bit earlier, but what you can do once you have a list of buyers is you can ask them what they need. You can ask them, how can I serve you better? What's the number one challenge preventing you from making money or making the next level of money? You can ask them what the next level is for them. And then once they tell you what it is, you go out and create it, or maybe even you create like a Google Doc telling people what you're going to create. If you get enough people to sign up, you create the thing and then you can make money. So there is just a ton of different opportunities for you to make even more money with a low-end digital product. It can even be a mid-ticket too, but there are just tons of opportunities to make money with digital products. Now that you know a little bit more about making more money with digital products, there's still a little bit that you should learn about affiliate marketing. Watch this video next to master affiliate marketing.